X402 now supports any ERC-20 token, and you could just spend like wrapped ETH or USDT or any token without paying gas via X402. Up to now, it was only tokens that have 3009 support, but now it's like literally any ERC-20 token and it's gasless. And here's how it works. So there's two different types, which is like one type is like super legacy tokens that don't have any native permits like USDT. And then the second type is the permit aware tokens. And here's how it would look. Basically, the permit aware token, your client would still like initialize the payment. It's like, hey, I want access to these resources. Server returns the 402, but this time with a gas sponsorship extension of 2612. And then the client will sign the EIP 2612 permit allowing the spending. And it would send a payment signature header back to the server, and at that point, the server forwards it to the facilitator, and the facilitator basically executes both the permit and the settlement together, verifies the payment. You would receive the resources. On the legacy ones, because like they don't have any any native permit. What happens is that they use a different extension for ERC-20 approval, gas sponsorship. So to be able to sign this approval, what happens is that the facilitator actually sends them a tiny amount of ETH to be able to have that approval, and then after that, basically, they settle the transaction for the call itself. So this is how the team solved these two issues. If I butchered anything, please do check out the podcast that I'm co-tweeting, where Carson and Amanda and Eric provide a way better explanation than I can. And the flow of the docs are like basically are in the repo, and this template of how all this works is going to be in the comments as well. So head to the GitHub. I'll need to open source it, which I'll do in a second before sharing this demo. And there you would find everything you need.